Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you two different super easy hijab styles that you can wear with a sun hat or straw hat, whichever you want to call it. And yeah, these are super quick and easy hijab styles. Before we start, just a small tip. When you're wearing a hat with your hijab, I suggest that you wear your bun as low and as flat as possible so that your hat will actually fit. That being said, let's just start. So that was it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give it thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye!